Hey everyone, thank you for joining us. In this channel, we create quick, easy, and delicious meals using our favorite OBO seasoning products. In today's video, I'll be making a delicious batch of baked black-eyed beans, popularly known as Moi-Moi, a protein-rich West African classic. I paired mine with a creamy mac and cheese, finish it with a touch of broccoli for balance. As always, the complete list of ingredients is provided for you below. Now let's get cooking together. So start by pre-soaking the beans for 10 to 20 minutes to loosen up the skin. In a blender, use the pause option few seconds at a time to loosen up the skin without turning the bean into paste. Transfer the beans to a large bowl, fill with water, stir and shake to separate the floating skin. Meanwhile, have a pot of hot water on the stove to be used later. Now I'll go ahead and wash and trim the vegetables and the salmon. I'll chop the bell pepper, the onion, the ginger, and the hot habanero pepper. Then I'll blend them all together into a puree form. I'm also going to slice the basil and set it aside. I'll go ahead and blend the beans as well until they are completely pureed or smooth in texture. I'll pour them in a bowl and set them aside for later. Let's prep the salmon now. Place it in a deep plate and pour hot water over it. This process will help loosen the skin. After a few moments, remove the skin and blend the salmon until smooth. Now let's make the moi-moi sauce. In a skillet over medium heat, we add the oil and the pepper mixture together with the blended salmon. Let's combine and stir, allowing the flavor to melt, and season with our Swiiftty-Spice all-purpose seasoning. Check out the link in the bio with a pinch of salt. Please don't forget the fresh basil to bring out the aroma and enhance the flavor. Feel free to check out our products using the link below to level up your cooking. If you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and share, as this will help support our small business. Let's allow it to simmer for a few minutes. Then we remove it from the heat and then we set it aside. Let's get the beans ready. We crack the 2 eggs in a bowl and whisk until it's smooth. Then we pour them into a blended beans mixture and stir well until everything is fully combined and creamy. We then season with a Swiiftty-Spice all-purpose seasoning, pinch of salt to bring out the rich, savory flavor. Finally, add in the pepper sauce, mixing everything together. Taste and adjust the spice or salt as needed to achieve your desired flavor. Let's go ahead and preheat the oven to 475 degrees. Then in a large foil pan or a baking pot, arrange the mini container inside. Lightly coat each container with cooking oil to prevent sticking. Fill it with the puree, leaving a little space at the top to allow for expansion. At this point, most people pour the puree into pouches and steam it on the stove. However, I find baking to be much easier and less hassle, and just as delicious. So let's go ahead and pour 2 cups of water in the pan, cover it to create steam, which will help cook the beans evenly. Once the oven is heated, let's place the pan in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. Now over medium heat, we're going to combine the whole and evaporated milk to create a rich and creamy base. Then we stir in the cheddar cheese until it melts and becomes smooth. We season with the Swiiftty-Spice all-purpose seasoning mix. Then try to go light on the salt as the cheese might be salty. Cook the macaroni using the package instruction. Then mix into the sauce until evenly coated and add more cheese if desired. You pour into a baking pan and top it with a generous layer of cheese. Cover the pan and bake for 475 degrees for 10 minutes. You remove the foil and you bake for another 10 minutes until the cheese is cooked. After 45 to 50 minutes, we check to see if our beans is ready. We go ahead and remove it from the oven. We also check for our mac and cheese, and if it's ready, we remove that as well. Meanwhile, go ahead and steam your broccoli for about 5 minutes, keeping it crunchy. Once it's cooled off, plate your meal and enjoy every single bite of this combo. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Don't forget to grab your Swiiftty-Spice, like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, take care. Ciao.